Hi guys, hope you're all well. It's Amma back with another video, and today I'm going to do the Robby Keene aka Buchanan season 4 Cobra Kai hairstyle. So I've just got my hair freshly cut. At the beginning of season 4 you can see that Robby's hairstyle, it's a lot longer on the top, but towards the end, so the finale, you can see it is shorter and he has had it cut. So just to look at it in a bit more detail guys, you'll notice that on the sides he's had a scissors cut, so he's had it trimmed, and on the top he's kept the length, and he's got a slick back on the top, so a matte finish with a shine. So we're just going to go into the tutorial, and I'm going to be using the Got To Be matte paste. So apply this to damp hair. I've just come out the shower and I'm going to use this as my base because it's really good for texture and it will help to create the matte effect as well. So we just start from the back guys, and I'm going to create the slick back look. So I start from the back, use the roller brush, we lift the hair and then we literally just brush it across. You slowly make your way forward and come to the fringe last. Don't forget guys, my hair on the sides is a lot shorter than Robby's. His is a scissor trim, whereas mine is an undercut. So don't be too bogged down about the sides because we are going to try and get the shape on top correct. And as long as you get that, it should be no problem, to be honest, because essentially it is a slick back. So as you can see guys, I'm just finishing off with the fringe. So as I'm just finishing that off, I'm just trying to create the shape as well. So you can also use your hands just to create texture and then maintain the shape. So it's all about trying to get that perfect shape on the top. So I'm just slicking back my hair, and as you can see, I've started to get the shape now, the shape that I actually want. So I'm just using the hairdryer and the roller brush just to create the base and make it the best that it can be. And then once you have the base done guys, once you have the shape, you use the kohl setting and brush your hair back slowly, and what that will do is the cool air will lock your style in place. So once you have the desired shape, the desired style, just lock it in place. So you should have something like this, and yes, I have changed into my Cobra Kai sweatshirt. I'm a big fan of the show, cannot wait for season 6. So on this side guys, on my left hand side, my hair is a little bit longer, so I'm just slicking that in place. But on the right hand side, it is shorter, but we don't want to create a part guys. What we want to do is we just want to try and brush it back, just to give it the illusion that on the side it does have a sort of slick back as well. So even though it's short, it's fine, it's not a problem, just make sure it's slicked back. And then what we want to do guys, I just want to create a little bit more volume on the top. Now you don't have to do this, I just want to do this just to sort of round everything off. So take your wide tooth comb, slowly lift the fringe and use your hairspray just to spray it in place, and then slowly just comb your fringe back. And what that will do guys, it will give you a little bit more volume on the top and it will help keep it in place as well. And it also gives you the shine, because if you look at Robby's hair, it does have a shine to it as well. So I'm just going to spray that in place and we are done. So that's the finishing look guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and until next time, take care.